Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another edition of Chalk Talk. Looking today at 3D shapes and finding the volume, which would be what could fit inside the shape, and then also surface area today, the area of all the faces of a figure, so the outside, and do my best to fill you in on how to do all these. So you got your formula sheet in a materials list. Find that, and that'll give you all the formulas. Those are basically all the recipes for your different shapes. Finding the volume and surface area. I'm going to go over each shape with you right now. So let's give it a try. So first off, we got rectangular prism, and we'll look at volume first. So the volume formula is S to the third, so that's side. Basically, this is the easiest one, I feel. You're basically going to take each of your three side lengths and multiply them. So it says side to the third here. What you can also do is just basically go, if we have a shape here that I made up, the length is 6 inches, width is 3 inches, height is 10 inches. So we're just going to multiply each of those sides by themselves. So we got 6 times 3 times 10. That's going to give us a total of 180. And since we're going to be measuring 3D shapes here for volume, 3D shapes, we are going to have our label is going to be cubed. So this is inches, so we're going to call it inches cubed. All right. So again, basically length times width times height is going to give you your answer in cubic units, whatever it happens to be. All right. Little magic for you here. That's volume of a rectangular prism. I'm going to switch quickly, clear my page here, and go to surface area of the same shape. Ready, go. See what I did there? Little math magic for you there. All right, so surface area. Surface area means we want to basically find the area of each side of the shape, each surface, okay? Now here's your formula. Looks a little crazy, but we have 2 times the width times the length plus the height times the length plus the height times the width. So basically we have 2 of each side. This side is going to be the same on the back. This side here is going to be the same over here. The bottom is going to be the same as the top. So that's where the 2 comes from. And we're going to just fill in all the numbers here to my formula. So my width is going to be 3. So in here I'll have 3 times my length, which is 6. Then I'm going to add that to my height times length. Height times length. 10 times 6. And then I'm also going to add my height times my width. 10 times 3. Okay, so if you want to take kind of the longer direct route here, you could write everything in place of all the variables there. Then do your math. 3 times 6 is going to be 18. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 3 is 30. Add those all together. Okay, and you're going to get 108. And then remember, I have to multiply by 2 here. 2 times 108 is going to give me 216. And since this has to do with area, I just had to deal with 2 variables at a time. Each time I got a number, length times width or width times height. So that's going to give me inches squared. So surface area is going to be in units squared. All right, so review units squared surface area. A little more magic here, back to what we just did. Ooh, that was bad. For volume, it's going to be cubic units. So 3. Volume is 3. Okay? Good luck and enjoy the other videos.